right, guys, coming out to the whip. I just had to get some schoolwork done. I'm on vacation all this week, but now it's time to enjoy midnight a little bit. And then I'm still debating on whether or not I want to get some paint on this bad boy, because you guys could see the clear coat imperfections, but it is what it is. We're running D-badge right now. My emblems fell off, so I'm not really too worried about it. But I do have the new JDM emblems. I'll show you guys that. And then if I do get this thing painted, I'll have the whole lip kit will be fixed and all that stuff. So yeah, we're gonna go out and take this thing for a rip. She's running super strong right now, so stick with me for the ride. So here are the JDM emblems, brand new OEM Honda ones. The only way I'm running these is if I get a fresh paint job, so we'll see what happens in terms of that. You guys could see the front end with the coils. I don't know, I lowered it about maybe another ½ inch. So let's go out and enjoy this car tonight, guys, because I haven't been really appreciating it too much. Be sure you guys are giving this video some love. I don't think I'm gonna sell this car, guys. I'm gonna do whatever I can not to sell this damn thing. So for everybody wondering, commenting on the EPS issue, it's still on, you guys can see right now. But ever since I did the fuse, I did the EPS fuse under the hood, when I flick my high beams, it'll usually go off. And right now it's not going off. All right, let's do it, guys. Let's boogie. Hopefully the traffic's not too excessive. Yeah, I just jinxed myself. Look at this. Traffic jam over here. Oh, wow, this guy hit this dude, huh? Holy Christ. Woohoo! I've been hammering on it, taking it easy a little bit, and it's been taking whatever I throw at it, guys. So I did put up that last video saying I would sell it, but you know, a couple of you guys are right, and I did think of this as well. You know, there is a lot of negatives with selling this car. If I sold this, I would have to get another used car. A, that would probably need a lot of work, you know, unless it's a Toyota Corolla or a Civic or something. And B, I would be giving up essentially the heart of the channel. Like, I started my YouTube because I got this car, you know, and I feel like a lot of you guys would leave. A Type R would be great, but right now it's too much, like way too much money, 50 grand. I do not want a car payment right now. I'm currently looking at Toyota Corollas. I think I'm gonna pick up one of those things. Still need to fill all of you in on the job situation, but I'll do that in a separate video. And another thing too is like, it's not even about the money with this car. It's the fact that, oh shit, it's not even the money that is the third factor either. It's the amount of positive experience and the amount of people I've met through this channel and having this car. Little fifth gear. Seems a lot stronger than it did before, and I'm still running the same E-tune that I had on it. So I still want to get a top speed run in, guys. A lot of people want to see how quick this thing will get up to. I always talk about it. I definitely want to bring this thing to the track, whether it be, you know, this month or next year sometime. I want to get this thing out there on the track, see what it can do. Get some slicks. EPS light just automatically shut off. sure you guys like, comment down below, and subscribe. Peace out.